After this genius idea, I've never prepared ground beef any other way again. Start by placing 500 grams of ground beef into a large bowl. Next, add 1 whole egg, 40 grams of breadcrumbs, 40 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, parsley to taste, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix everything thoroughly to combine. This is the right mix. After doing that, transfer this meat to a cutting board lined with plastic wrap and spread it evenly. For the filling, add 8 slices of mozzarella cheese and 4 slices of cooked ham. Roll it into a cylindrical shape. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. And secure it tightly with the plastic wrap. Place it in the freezer and let it chill for at least 1 hour. After this time has passed, cut the meat into 1-finger thick slices. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Transfer these slices to an air fryer basket and brush olive oil to taste over each slice. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Place it in the fryer, set it to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let everything fry for 15 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your fryer. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.